What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my 2022 4th of July firework stash. So let's get into it. First, start with some of the small stuff. Got these Tasmanian Devils by Black Cat, these red super balls, these crackling balls by Big Fireworks. Got some Bunker Busters 3-packs. I think it's 20 in each of those. Those are like the super pockets, smoke bombs. Got 3 100 strips of Black Cat firecrackers, a couple Black Diamond salutes, firecrackers, 3 packs of the Ground Bloom by Black Cat, some miniature crackling balls, 6 in each of those, more firecrackers, silver salutes by Pro Fireworks. Got this, what is this? Handheld snow cone. That should be interesting. 4-pack Saturn missile batteries. 2 6-minute smokes. Got these Whistling Pete's. Then onto some bigger stuff. Got these SpaceX rockets by Pro Fireworks. Then these 200-gram cakes. Out of hand, 24 shots. Shorty, Pro Fireworks, 12 shots. Got TikTok by Pro Fireworks, another 200-gram cake, 19 shots. Bermuda Triangle, another 200-gram cake, that's 15 shots by Black Diamond, Pro Fireworks. Then on to this 200-gram cake by Black Diamond. I mean, this is 500-gram cake, sorry, 16 shots. Next, I got this 24-pack 60-gram canister shells, Pro Shells by Pro Fireworks. Next, got another 200-gram cake, 16-shot live wire. Then I got this Standing Ovation 49-shot 500-gram cake. This is kind of like their version of Brothers Highfalutin. Next, Black Flag 16-shot 500-gram cake. 9 out of 10 noise. Take tie pattern vertical. Then I got this 43-shot 500-gram cake by Pro Fireworks. Hawkeye has a nice angled effect to it. Next, you got these smaller 8-shot 500-gram cakes. You got Believer, Eclipse 8 shots, Slither, Diesel, 2-step, Cage, Always Dreaming, and Empire. Those are all 8 shots. Next, got another 200-gram cake, Anti-End 16-shot by Magnus. Got these miniature cakes, Pretty Little Plane by Bright Star. And this 9-shot Cuba Libre by Sky Bacon. Got another 16-shot live wire. Then this last 500-gram cake, Pool Party 32 shots by Bright Star Fireworks. Lastly, got another 24-pack 60-gram canister shells by Black Diamond Pro Fireworks. Snake Tails has 24 different effects. And that's it for part 1, guys. See you next time.